at it again, folks. This beautiful outdoor landscape draining solution, this beautiful dry creek bed, the way in which we solve landscape problems in the most effective way by taking the water that's coming from the neighbor's yard, that's right here, and moving it off the landscape. This is a design that I've been doing for over a decade now, and I definitely would tell you that if you're looking for a way to solve your landscape problem, if you're a landscape professional, then you want to join the Landscape Geek Learning Academy. We have over 100 different videos to help you understand what we do on a consistent basis that takes you through different landscape drainage solutions that we've been able to provide over the last 10 years, and it helps you begin to monetize your business in the most effective way. That is what this is able to do for you. Now, I know you may be wondering, what am I going to get by joining the Landscape Geek Learning Academy? What is that going to do for me? Well, I'll tell you what, one of the biggest benefits that you're going to be able to get is understand how to grow your profit margins. That's right, by being able to offer effective landscape drainage solutions on the backside of whatever it is that you do, whether you're a lawn care professional, whether you're a landscape development contractor, you're going to be able to increase your profit margins significantly because you're going to be working with one of the major ways in which a lot of landscapes find themselves in a deterioration. And so when you can begin to niche your services into a landscape drainage solution thought process, you're going to be able to tie in a lot of gutter downspouts. You're going to be able to put in dry creek beds. You know, you're going to be able to put yourself in positions that allow for you to be able to do jobs that are worth $5,000, $10,000 in just one day. And these are the ways in which you can begin to grow your overall profit margin, because it says that you're not stuck on a job for more than a day, two days, and you're able to move in an effective manner. As you can see, just 3 guys out here on this job, 2 guys to be exact, and it says that we're focused on just a solution that already has a plan, already has a design, has already been implemented time and time again, and this is the result of what you get. You get an outstanding job that continues to give value to the customer for a lifetime, folks. And that's what we're talking about when we talk about our landscape drainage solutions. We're talking about a solution that's going to give value for a lifetime. And that's what you get with this drainage solution, with the decorative river rock, with the dry creek bed design that we've come up with here. It gives the customer a solution that they never have to worry about solving again, and it also gives them a solution that's going to last a lifetime. And that's what makes this a solution that definitely says if you already have water moving through the backyard, why not let it do so in the most effective way? And that's through a dry creek bed, guys. Look how beautiful this thing is shaping itself out. That's what you're going to learn, in-depth ways in which I help you understand why landscape drainage solutions are a great way to add it to your toolbox, but also how you can begin to implement it and scale profitably in regards to this type of industry. Now, this is something that a lot of people familiarize themselves with, and they may only charge an amount that says that, hey, I'm going to charge A, B, and C, and D. I'm going to tell you exactly how to price your business out and do it in the way that's going to grow your profit margins. Now, in addition to that, you're also going to be able to see for yourself that, hey, as a particular individual, you'll be able to see that you can continue to grow your business just off of the landscape drainage solutions mindset that we provide at the Landscape Geek Learning Academy. Now, along with that, you're going to get hundreds of other videos that talk about retaining walls, paver patios, all these different ways in which you can begin to use to scale your business, grow your business, and understand how to price the industry. In 2022, what we now call post-corona and what we call pre-corona has provided for us an opportunity to price ourselves most effectively. And if you're not already positioned in the market to do so, then there's no better time than right now. And at the Landscape Geek Learning Academy, we're going to show you how to do that. Now, if you're already priced to do that, if you've already prepared yourself for this upcoming market, then it says we're going to show you how to scale, because one of the biggest things that we're seeing is that there's a lot of people that have found themselves booked out for the next 2 to 3 months in a market that is increasingly growing, that allows you to be able to have higher profit margins by not taking on jobs that put you in a position where you can't finish them in a day or 2. We finished this entire dry creek bed, guys, in one day with just 2 people focused on a solution. That's what we're talking about when we say that the Landscape Geek Learning Academy will teach you ways in order to solve landscape drainage problems, identify them, and then most importantly, execute. You got over 100 videos within your own digitalized application, and they're going to help you begin to move in a way that gives you the resources that you need in order to know how to be able to help your clients most effectively. And if you're a homeowner, we do have a homeowner package as well. And this is all free information, guys. This is all free content. You can join the Landscape Geek Learning Academy today for free. That's right, for free. All you got to do is go to www.landscapegeeks.com, submit your information. We'll get back to you. And we'll most importantly be reaching out to tell you about all the great things that we have going on. And that's one of the reasons we've become so successful, because we're focused on those type of solutions. And so that's what we've been able to do for this happy customer today. That's what we continue to do each and every day right here at Brooks Landscape.